Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to build beautiful WordPress pages without coding? In this 5-minute guide, I will show you the real basics of using Elementor, the most popular drag and drop builder for WordPress. From your WordPress dashboard, go to plugins section. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you are in, click plugins from the left sidebar and search for Elementor, then click install or upgrade and activate it. Next, go to pages section from the left sidebar, then click add page. Give your page a title and click edit with Elementor. You can add pattern from here like that. Next, go to your new page and open Elementor editor. This opens the drag and drop editor. You will see two main areas, the widget panel on the left, the live preview on the right. It's look like that. I'll show you. Elementor editor. This opens the drag and drop editor. You will see these two main areas. So to build your page, just drag widgets like heading, text, and image into the canvas. Click on any element to edit the content, change styles like font, color, and spacing using the Style and Advanced tabs. Click the plus button from here to add a new section. Choose a layout like 1, 2, or 3 columns. You can drag widgets into each column. For example, a photo on the left and text on the right. Once your design is ready, click the eye icon from here to preview. Happy with it, hit publish to make it live. Want to reuse your design? Click the arrow next to publish and save it as a template. And that's Elementor. Fast, simple, and beginner friendly. You can now create stunning pages without touching a line of code. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment if you want a full landing page tutorial next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.